Let f of x equal to this rational function. We would like to find f inverse. So we have y equals 2x plus 3 over 4 minus 5x, and from here we would like to solve it for x. Multiply both sides by 4 minus 5x. We have y 4 minus 5x is equal to 2x plus 3. In the picture below, the graph y equals f of x is the solid graph, and the graph of y equals g of x is the dashed graph. Find the formula for g of x. So this guy is f of x, and the dashed graph is g of x, and we would like to find the formula of g of x. Let us look at here. The distance from this point to the y-axis is how many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units. And the distance to that edge is 2 units. Okay. Let us check if it is true for all points. Let us check here. So this is 3. And how about this? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So g of x is obtained by stretching the graph of f of x by a factor of 3. So g of x is f of 3x. Okay, so this is stretching the graph of f with a factor of 1/3. I think I made a mistake here. It should be... No, that's fine. Yeah, sometimes not only you, but almost everybody confused when you stretch or expand. Stretch or shrink. Or I think this is shrinking. Yeah, shrinking with the factor of 1/3. Next problem. Circle the even function, put a box around the odd function. Okay. So even function symmetrical with respect to the y-axis. Sim to y-axis. An odd function is symmetrical to the origin. So here, absolute value of x, the graph looks like that. It is symmetrical to the y-axis, so it is an even function. So we circle it. And if we shift 1 unit upward, it is still symmetrical to the y-axis. So this is still even. X cubed, something like that, is symmetrical to the origin. And if we add 1, we have something like that. It is not symmetrical to the origin anymore, and also it is not symmetrical to the y-axis. So it is neither even nor odd. Now e of x equal to 5 is something like here. It is symmetrical to the y-axis. So it is odd. I mean, it is even. I'm sorry. I should make a circle for e. F of x equal to x to the 4. the graph is somehow like that, which is symmetrical to the y-axis, and if we shift 1 unit upward, it is still symmetrical to the y-axis. Now x plus 1 to the 4, we obtain this by shifting the graph of x to the 4 1 unit to the left. So if we shift, we have something like this. I'm sorry. Which is not longer symmetrical to the y-axis, and it is also not symmetrical to the origin, so this is neither. X plus 1 cubed is obtained by shifting the graph of x cubed 1 unit to the left. It is not symmetrical to any of y-axis or origin. X plus 1, so remember that this is a graph of absolute value of x, so if you put 1 inside, means we shift 1 unit to the left, so it is not symmetrical to either y-axis or the origin. K of x equal to x, the graph is like that, it is symmetrical to the origin, so it is an odd function. Square root of x is like this. It's not symmetrical to any of, it's not even n or odd. And x to the 1/3 is similar to that one, but it is also defined for a negative number, so it should be like this. So I believe this is an odd function, and this is both odd and even.